got it at 80 today. There we go. So as we can see, today is going to be a very special drive because right now we're at 987 and we're going to roll over 100,000 miles. Been through it all with this Boxster. Been through everything. At 80 something thousand miles, that was super fun dealing with all that. Putting this head unit in was a trial. Placing the shift cables to numeric. Super solid. We're doing the shifter next. Taking the seats out, the alternator pulley, the water pump, the engine mount bolts. Those were fun. I don't know, just a brief sentimental video to make. Ignition switch was a good time. Service mode was a good time. Anyways, let's get going. Let's roll over 100,000. Here's the state of the car overall. We're at 99998 miles. You know, everything shifts super smooth. There is play on the shift knob. Paint job is still in good condition. You know, overall there's a few spots here and there that need a touch up, especially on the hood lid here, trunk lid. Definitely need to clean up some brake dust, but brakes have been replaced, rotors have been replaced. We'll add new tires. Kept in pretty good care, need to wash them more often. Tons of rock chips on the front here. That I've kept for character, but maybe one day we'll respray it. And obviously that tow hook cap needs to get resprayed. It's just gonna do it when I respray the thing or recolor it or wrap it all. I don't know, it hasn't been worth the monetary investment yet. Because I've been working through all the mechanical stuff, but the headlights have been restored. Couple of big rocks got me here. You know, windshield's been replaced. Basically, there's almost no parts of this car I haven't touched. Although one upgrade is to do the GT3 master cylinder for better braking. Getting all the brakes out, all the air bubbles out. These buttons have been replaced and repaired, so it's always fun. But yeah, we'll see you at 100,000. Here just starting, by the way, as you'll hear engine sounds. Great, no knock, no nothing. No ticking, no bore score. Starts right up. So everything sounds good, everything's in working order. Engine sounds good. It's been a really fun car. I got it out of 80 today. There we go. 100,000. Yay!